driveway 4. This is 4,000 complex with residential fiber. I'm hoping this truck can take it all the way to the end. This is 30 yards right now. Getting pumped out. Smooth finish. Give you an idea of what it looks like. Over here. Beautiful day. Couldn't pour last week because it was raining so much. See how smooth that is? What we do? See how smooth? What we got? So not only do we got structural rebar in here, we got fiber mesh, trying to prevent cracking, but cracking is going to happen all the time on concrete, so don't think it doesn't. Just walk down your street and you'll see cracks in your sidewalk, driveway. It happens, but we try to minimize it with whether it's additives or just extra rebar, wire mesh. We try to do what we got to do. So, trying to get that gloss vision right now. You got the windmill. I call it windmill. Some people call it different. But got that going on. It's not high noon yet. So they'll probably be high for like a few more hours. This is a complete renovation for us. Interior renovation, gut out, added a master bathroom. We increased the square footage a little bit, but we didn't like go full boom on some of my videos that you've been watching. This is the last part of it, doing the flat work, which is here. This is a circular driveway or circular square driveway, and it was not that once before. It was just one driveway going up into the carport, and they just wanted to change it a little bit so they can add more cars for guests and things like that. This is going to be a planter. In the middle is going to probably be a planter of grass. There in the middle is going to be probably where the porta john is, porta potty. That's going to be a planter and grass, everything. So it's going to really look nice and elegant. And as I go in the back here, some of the stuff that some of my previous videos showed and photos that you guys got. This is the pool oasis here, covered patio with the cedar ceiling. Okay, we have this here. The pool, which is got water, you have landscaping all the way around here. Yeah, we got some things that we're gonna do here. So we'll keep it going. Make it happen for sure. Clean up probably another day or two. Some of these panels we're gonna replace. We're gonna replace these as we move forward. Not really tripping off of, but we're gonna replace it. Because sometimes when you're throwing wood and stuff next to a fence, you gotta be very careful because you can damage it. So we'll take care of that probably next week. But right now the featured item here is the concrete pour. As you can see here, got all these stepping stones here, which is good. You got the shower area here, just in case, you know, that's a little added feature. People don't have to go into your house.